Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Pokémon Masters EX. First, launch the Pokémon Masters EX app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the game loads, you'll see the title screen. Simply tap the Start button to move past it. Next, you'll be presented with several login options. Select the one that best suits your account. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the game's features and continuing your adventure. There are typically three main ways to log in. You can use your Nintendo account, which is highly recommended for saving your game data across devices and ensuring a smooth experience. Alternatively, a Google account offers a quick and familiar login process for many users. For Apple device owners, logging in with your Apple ID provides a secure and integrated option. Choose the method you used when you first started playing or the one you prefer for data security. To protect your progress, it's vital to link your game data to an external account. This allows you to transfer your game data to a new device if needed, or recover it if something happens to your current device. Before uninstalling the app or switching phones, always confirm your account is properly linked. This simple step can save you from losing many hours of gameplay and valuable in-game items. It's a smart move for every player. If you encounter any login difficulties, don't worry. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this is a common cause of problems. Try restarting the Pokémon Masters EX app completely. Double-check that you are entering the correct login credentials for your chosen account. If these steps don't resolve the issue, reach out to the game's customer support. They can provide specific assistance to get you back into the game quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.